Testimony continued today in the Michael Jackson wrongful death lawsuit. Questions focused on possible pressure on Dr. Conrad Murray to make sure the singer performed. Eyewitness News reporter Miriam Hernandez was in the courtroom.
At the home of Michael Jackson, tempers erupt and Dr. Conrad Murray storms away cursing, according to testimony heard by jurors in the star's wrongful death case. What caused the clash is one of many missing pieces of a puzzle under scrutiny today. Jackson attorneys assert that AEG executive Randy Phillips must have pressured Murray and Jackson about the star's absences from rehearsals. There was a flurry of emails about Jackson looking ill, deteriorating, and what would happen if they pulled the plug on Jackson's comeback tour. The AEG defense expert, Dr. Gary Green, testified that there was no evidence of pressure. Under cross-examination by Jackson attorney William Bloss, Green said his conclusion was based on the sole witness available to testify about the meeting. CEO Randy Phillips was one of the executives being sued. Bloss hammered at Green about conflicts of interest. The plaintiffs contend that Murray would have been fired by Jackson if the doctor refused the star nightly infusions of propofol. Dr. Green testified that in his opinion, there was no conflict in this case. He told the jury that the interest of Dr. Murray, Michael Jackson, and AEG Live was the same. For Jackson to perform the 50 concerts for his comeback tour, he had to be healthy. Bloss persisted, raising evidence that Murray was in debt, his house on the verge of foreclosure. Then the statement from an LAPD detective that his interest in Murray was stirred when he learned about Murray's $150,000 a month salary, that Murray might break the rules, bend the rules to do whatever necessary to be paid. Under questioning by the AEG defense, Dr. Green said that in this case there were no hidden motives, that Michael Jackson knew the doctor, requested him for employment, and set the terms of his employment.